an excavator and just clearing, not directly connected to the water like I am in a canoe. So when I was in that power, you know, cleared on the water, released the water.
Where do you want your pump?
But don't take off on me, mate. Watch out. That's what I need. Hey there, buddy. Is that that's a porcupine. I think that's a porcupine. Yep. That's what it is. Hey, buddy. Hey, what are you doing in there? Not sure what kind of poop that is, but it looks like a bear. It looks like it could be a bear. It's a biggie. Or maybe a coyote. So at this point in our trail ride, I put my drone up into the sky and try to get that's Moira Lake in the background there, and then we pan over to Snake Lake, which is a small lake that's that Mike's Trailer Park is situated on. And then in the background you'll see the lake that we're coming to shortly, where there's that boat, there's a boat out there. So it's nice to see the trail from the sky as well. Looks pretty fresh too. Oh, there's the lake. Wow. Check out that house. Somebody has a pretty nice house up there. There's a lake. It says no trespassing though. This is out on, I'm not even sure what the name of the lake is, but this is on the Two Lakes Trail up in up by Mike's trailer up in Madoc. It's a pretty nice looking lake. It's pretty big. Not sure if there's any fish on it though. Maybe next time I come back I'll have to bring my fishing rod. I came across this old glove just hanging on this birch tree. I guess somebody must have dropped it while they were snowmobiling or ATVing down here during the winter, and somebody hung it up, and there it stayed from then. Looks pretty rotten. Looks like it's been here for a while. I came across this little culvert crossing here, and in the water there's a bunch of tiny little water lilies just growing. Now these bulrushes, or I'm not sure what they're called, but that that little flower that they put out a stick with a brown seed at the end of it, and my understanding from some people is that that's called shit on a stick. Here's an old railway nail or pin that I just came across right on the track. That ATV that was tearing down here a minute ago, I'm sure it could have done a lot of damage. This is a sweet little spot along the trail. There's a pine growth forest here. Some pretty tall pines. There's a lot of pine needles on the ground. So after a nice ride down the trail, we make our way back to the park, and we head down through the park, past the pool, and get back to Mike's trailer, where we set up for a nice steak barbecue. Mike and I cook up these two steaks and sit down to have a nice dinner at the end of a good day of cycling.